should be live. Let me see. Let me pull up the chat. There we go. Okay, we are live. Let me pull it up on here just so I can copy and paste it. Okay. Okay. Go on Instagram, post that I'm live, and we are ready to go. Link, the YouTube link. Whoa. Okay. All right. Well, we're dumping off open, but market hasn't even opened yet, and we're already dumping. Okay, post this. Morning, Zal. What's up? What up, Fishy? What up, Sean? Hey, yeah, boys. Obviously, going into today, see that we took out London highs, didn't take out Asia highs, but we have lower draws towards lows, and obviously Asia lows. We'll be looking to short to see. But if there is a continuation day like yesterday to the upside, we also have levels. We also have news that already came out at 8:30, so we can discard this. But new day gap looking interesting. What up, Matt? Yep, look at that gap. Look at that gap, boys. I feel like we can get it filled. So, obviously, I don't want to force anything, obviously, but I think the short side is calling my name. But we need an entry, though, and then we go from there. Off open, we already took out London lows, so that is that. But do we have anything? We have a gap right here. There's a 15-minute. Take our entry off of if necessary. But nothing on the 5-minute. My trading view is bugged, but what is happening? Why can I not see anything? Okay, there we go. All right, well, we're below the gap already. Looks like we're about to take out even Asia high, Asia lows. In the first, minute of the market, we're already moving. $265. We have been moving, boys. We have been moving. But we have to see if we can catch anything. ES barely. ES did not take out London lows. But NQ. Take out my ringer. I think we do take out these Asia lows. But the thing is, after we take out these lows, I mean, we have more gaps to target, obviously. Just want to see if we take out lows here. ES still got room towards Asia lows. That means NQ can dump a little bit more, probably. But this is literally what I wanted. I wanted shorts yesterday. We're getting them today off open. So I'm not complaining. But should have gotten them yesterday. And this looks like it's about to take out lows. There's just so many gaps. There's this one right here. If you continue on, 5 minute right there. It's about to be a 5 minute that we're trading in right now. There's Asia lows. Got to see what we do around this gap. Obviously, I don't want to take an entry around lows, liquidity levels, something I don't ever do. But as you can tell, ES still has room towards Asia lows. NQ can also make its way down. I'm gonna get rid of the daily gap, but you know, we all know that it exists. We're about to get tapped into this 4 hour, this 1 hour gap. See if we respect it or we disrespect it. Go from there. Look, you want today to be a one and done the type of day. Catch a quick move. And I'm out of here. So we'll see. If you get a 5 minute closure underneath this gap, I'll probably dabble in some shorts. But we still got 4 minutes for that, so let's see what price wants to do first, and go from there. If this entry runs off, you still have this entry right here. Yeah, still got room towards Asia lows. Gives me a sign that NQ still wants to go, and this is that right there. But obviously, I'm gonna wait for a closure. If we weren't around levels, I would take my entry off of the 50%, would be 263. I don't know. I do think we're super strong though. Already down 29 points from our entry. Yeah, it looks like we're not getting back up to this entry, guys. Well, we'll see. Still got 3 minutes for this closure. looking at the bigger picture, obviously, like, we have a long way to go. We can target a lot. Set an alert that whenever ES takes out Asia lows, it'll let me know. Have that going. We are coming back to 263. If you guys want, you guys can take an entry off this. I'm patiently just gonna wait for a 5-minute closure. We got 2 minutes left. Where do all my gaps go when I keep on switching over? It makes no sense. It's like, then I have to refresh it and then they'll pop up. Bruh, where did my gaps go? Damn, we really just gonna run short without giving me a setup? Nah, it's coming, bro. It's 8 minutes into the market. Come on. We're good. Yo, what is up with TradingView? There we go. I might just load up the TradingView app at this point, bro, because it's crazy. Let me see. Oh, hell no. I'm not logged in. Never mind. Take that back. I'm sorry, NQ. I'm sorry, TradingView. I'll be right back. Don't worry. All right, boys, we are back. I'm not trading like that. Give me flashbacks like I was in the war or something. The basic layout of TradingView is so ugly. But yeah, we failed to close below this gap. No entry, like I said. Don't like taking trades around the levels for a reason. Now, on the other side of things, we did always take out lows. We have Asia high still left to go. Am I looking for a step to the upside? Maybe. We will see. We do have this 5-minute that we just created to the upside. Obviously, I want to see some strength going into the gap, because we did just tap into the hour, the 4-hour, and the daily gap. Well, the 4-hour and the 1 hour, because we seem to respect it. So I wouldn't mind taking some longs off of this gap right up here towards highs. I was the calming elevator music, Z, bro. Yeah, it's honestly been helping me a lot because I don't have like a jittery feeling or anything going into the market. It's like, it low-key calms me down. That's why I've been playing it, and it has been working. I'm not gonna lie. I used to have it playing in the background before, and then I just switched to like just listening to like house music or something. But this is, it might seem boring, it might put you to sleep, but for me, it's super calming. Seem to respect the gap. ES though, ES is going towards lows while NQ is retracing, which something I don't like. It gets the mind space right. Yeah, it does. Really does. It teaches you patience in a way. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of this because it's gonna get hit up. Alright, ES is about to take out Asia lows. Maybe not. But these two are looking completely different right now. ES needs to catch up 10Q. If you do get back up here, get a candle closure above, or retest back up to the 50%, probably have my stops. Let me see where I can have my stops, bro. Probably these equal lows that we took out already. This is a potential long setup. Obviously, I'm not in. Still need a lot to happen for this to work, but something I'm looking at 283 stop, just to keep in mind. And ES just took out Asia lows. So if you do come towards here, then obviously we can short. I'll probably target. I don't need much today, honestly. I'll be okay with 60 points. I'm working on evals today, so max I can make is 1,500. Probably what the short setup will look like. 224 stop. If you keep on running to the downside. Have y'all took any trades between today and yesterday? We seem to respect the gap, honestly. We're respecting this 30-minute, same with the hourly, same with the 4-hour, same gap. I haven't taken any trades since Tuesday. Yeah. I mean, if the setup doesn't show up, why risk anything? But this 1 minute is starting to look ugly, guys. Look at this. This is bad. So, I'll do a word real quick. Oh, you can't spell. That should tell you how the word is gonna go. Alright. Well, it ends on an E. Bro, what letters, what words in with a E? I literally have a brain for right now. Please. Oh, not enough. Noise. Alright, well, there's an N and an A. You know that. No I. We keep on respecting the gap, yo. I'm looking at my trade advantage, it's just pumping up from here. Apple. Okay, there's a L, there's a A, there's a N. The A has to either be here or here. Oh, wait. Something like this. Oh my god, look at it. Okay, and Q. Is ES. ES needs to catch up, bro. It's the one thing that will probably shoot us in the foot. I need both of these tickers to be aligned. Any other suggestions? You got Apple out the way. That kind of got us. I mean, 2 letters. Plain. There's no P. Okay, we got the A-N-E. So we need the 2 letters. Trying to think. Wait. Accuse dumping. Yes, is also dumping. One last word, y'all. I want to get in the 5th try. We got dumping. We got dumping. Okay, I'll continue on the Wordle after this trade. $226, targeting 67 points. 67. It's a sign. All right, y'all know what we look for, right? A closure below, retest, which is our entry, continuation, just like that. Only aiming for 67 points because, you know, I gotta meet some consistency rules. Or, I mean, if you don't have any, you can always just let it ride. W haircut twin. Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. I love having short hair. You wake up, you don't have to do nothing. It looks pretty good. I just gotta put some product in my hair. That's all. And it makes me look a little older, which I mean I'm okay with. I used to have long, like super long hair during high school and stuff. I just can't do it anymore. Just as we thought we were gonna get an entry, we're just running away. So back to the Wordle. What could this word be? There's an L somewhere. Okay, so it's L-A-N something E. Lance. Bang. Alright. Got the Wordle. And now we gotta win a trade. And then I'll classify this as a W day. The entry is about to be 25,191. Not yet, obviously. Stops about 32 points. 30. How many points is this? It's not even showing me. 35 points. Just like a 1 to 2. PA so bad today. Yeah. Honestly, I feel like the bearish bias is correct. We're about to fill this gap. We need to fill this gap. We need to fill this gap. Oh, the 4 hour still goes, but the 1 hour gap at least. We're in a 1 and a 4 hour bullish gap. Yeah, I know. I'm targeting that. I'm not targeting it, I'm watching it. We have been, like, you know, respecting it. but I feel like it's time that's gonna crack. Because all of this is just us respecting the gap. Now, just wait. If you get the entry, take the trade. Obviously, you guys don't have to take the same trade as me. I'm just showing you what I trade, what I take. I'm not holding a gun to your face, trying to tell you to take the same trade as me. Nasdaq stand took me out today. No. What's limit? Limit is not set yet. Okay, did you try to short or did you long? What's up? Talk to me, twin. Bro took shorts and got stopped to the tick. No. Are you still live or no? And then flushed. Yeah. Was it around the Asia? Was it around this like yeah, I figured, yeah. Yesterday we had the same similar like situation. I just don't like taking gaps around like liquidity levels. Even though we took it out, something just tells me not to do it. Might call it though. Alright, let me know. We can hop on a call again. But I might get some shorts here soon. 191. That's not bad. I average like 20 around viewers every stream on YouTube for like a small account like mine's. That's not that bad. You just gotta be consistent. Honestly, that's the name of the game. Also, why haven't y'all liked the live, bro? Come on, support the kid, bro. Support the boy. Liquidity levels will almost always be liquidity levels regardless of mitigation because everyone keeps emotional ties to them and uses them to respect them. It's like psychological liquidity, yeah. That's I like that comment, Fishy. That was like a scholar type of, answer. And we are back to pumping. I was playing GeoGuessr after we got off of stream yesterday. That was pretty fun. Look, you want to get good at that game, bro. The fact that people can tell instantly where they are in the world in like a split second is kind of crazy. Obviously, I won't get that good, but it's definitely up there. Is it time yet, NQ? I don't think it is yet. We shall wait. New to the streams, do you trade Fridays? I trade almost every day. This Friday we do have news, so yes, I will be live tomorrow. I literally gone live 5 times a week for a long time. Like even yesterday when we didn't have news, I just hopped on just to talk. Commentary, didn't take a trade or anything. I think we've only took one trade this week. up like 40 points on the week. I'd rather take less setups than try to make back my losses. But yeah, man, I will be live tomorrow, same time, 9:30, because we do have news. Just obviously it's a Friday. Just got to be more cautious around setups. Other than that, everything still goes as planned. We got 50 seconds till this candle closes. Finally broke below the consequent encroachment. Now we just have to see a 1 minute closure and a retest, and I'm in shorts. Again, not holding a gun to your hand. To your head. You don't have to take this trade. I'm just gonna take it. I'm just gonna show you guys what happens. Like I said, if you don't agree with it, don't take the trade. Simple as that. Ten seconds. Nope. No limit set yet. No entry. No closure. So nothing. Wait, quick question. General Gold channel. How did you find out about my YouTube? That's a good question. Because most of the people that are here, they're also in the Discord and stuff. So, or they follow me on Instagram. I want to see where this guy came from. If he's still in here. I think he left. But hey, we got 20 people here. I think the max I had yesterday was 25. I think that's the max I've ever had. Still no setup. As you can tell, we haven't closed below the gap. The 50% mark of the gap at least. We got 30 seconds. Limits might be getting set soon, boys. At 191. That's the sweet spot. 13 seconds. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my limits. My limits are set at 191.25. See if you get filled. Or we're probably just gonna start running. Yep, we are running. Yep, that's usually what happens. I trade Forex. I saw one of your reels and I recognized it was Tampa, so I followed a few months ago, and I've just been creeping on the gram, getting tired of Forex, and joined the Discord lives this week. Gonna keep watching the lives, and for another week, open a trading account with Tradify. Yes, sir. With Tradify, I don't think they offer paper trading, but you can get a paper trading account with TradingView. But hey guys, cancel those limits. Obviously, we are running. It's about to hit full TP without no entry. Wow, that sucks, bro. I mean, if you just market ordered it, you would be up, but I like to wait. And yep. No entry from my side. Just got on a call with you. You're in Gabe CPA. This is Slab, by the way. Oh, hell yeah. Wait, what'd she say? Everything good? We were tracing back to the setup, but we already ran about 56 points. So there's no point for me to even look for an entry around there anymore. Yeah, it was smart as look to make an LC without it. I'll be cooked. Yeah, sir. I told you, bro. She got me under S Corp, so we should be fine this year. Hopefully, I don't have to pay a lot. But that's literally the cheat code with taxes. You have to get a CPA. If you do your own taxes, you're gonna get cooked. If you keep on continuing down, I mean, we have another setup down here, but I don't know how confident I feel about taking that setup because, you know, the whole story was this 1 hour gap and this 4 hour gap. We still haven't filled out the full gap though, so there might be a chance. But I don't know. What up, Josh? I was wondering where you were at, bro. Okay, every time Fishy's here, I think you're gonna be here too. And you made it, bro. Welcome. We just look so bearish today, y'all. I wouldn't want to take longs from here. At least my bias is playing out, so that's good. But no entry. I might dabble in over here. Who knows? We'll see. Based on how price is moving. We got 21. I want to see if we could break 25 today. I don't think we're going to, but you never knew. Take it easy, bro. Took a small L, but with managed risk. We'll be back tomorrow. Took longs at 268 and stops were 168.75. How much of a loss did you take, LH? Dang, bro. We just dropped like 6 people. Definitely not getting 25 today. $268.75. Oh, off Asia lows. I see. Yeah, taking trades around just liquidity level is just always risky for me, honestly. ES is pumping up. But from the looks of it, I don't think we're going to get anything either today. Just this gap is what I'm waiting on. But in order to get there, you have to break below this. It's 129 level that I got marked out. This 15-minute gap is pretty we can definitely dabble in. $200 is the max I let myself risk, bro. So only risk 100 points for a 1 to 2. I had as I and London taken out, and also inside the 4 hour bullish where I always risk 150 for $300 or 200 for 400. I'm all locked down now. Yeah. Trading around the session lows is literally my strategy. It's only risky if you don't have a tested system in place. There we go. Fishy's onto something. But yeah, one trade a day, you know. I'll come back tomorrow. I'm pretty sure you'll make that loss back with no doubt in my mind that late you got this, bro. Anybody else that could trade? You take that trade, Z, or did it run without you? It ran. I had my limit set, and we ran about 56 points. Did come back up, but, I'm not gonna... Well, actually, no, it never even tapped into the... Never even tapped in. My entry would have been 191, but never got it, so... It's just unfortunate. So what I'm gonna do is probably just gonna wait for this gap right up here. If price is still somewhat strong, I'll take it. Yes, sir. Like I said yesterday, I'm glad I took the trade because I saw the setup. But I remember when I used to not take it because I used to be afraid of the result. Now it's more like you don't ever want to live in regret, Who, like, if you take a trade, if it's an A+ setup and you get stopped out, it's okay. You're not going to win all of your setups. But if you just forward test it instead of taking a trade because you're too scared, or, your account size or your sizing, I don't know what it could be. You're always going to be like, damn, like that trade could have ran and I would have been doing this. I would have made this much. And you're just going to go in a whole lot of ifs. But if you take the trade, get stopped out, at least you tried. No regrets. If I manage risk and don't go until I may lose 2 times, but one win makes it all back. Exactly. One good trade would always back you up, bro. We also have this level on ES. Let me just mark it out. Oh, we already broke past it. We didn't on NQ though. Been waiting for long since forever. That was me yesterday. I was looking for shorts forever, bro. The full, just look at this hourly candle. It was about 216 points to the downside, bro. Obviously in hindsight, I shouldn't have looked for shorts yesterday, but whatever. It happens. But yeah, I think we fill the gap. 4 hour at least. The gap ends right here. About 0.94. So breaking below. Yeah, the top step, trailing drawdown. What? Just caught that 50 points. You got the break. Let's go. I might dabble in some shorts, but I feel like we're just gonna. We haven't gotten a retracement. Oh, 96. All right. You know what? I'm not in yet, but I'll let y'all know when I get in. Still not in yet. Alright, just got in. I'm in shorts. Let's see. Maybe it may be a late entry. Who knows? But yeah. My stops at this previous. Aim for this low right here. And we'll see. I've been wanting shorts all morning. We finally got what I like to see. A candle closure below. A retest. So I took the trade. Now, whatever happens, happens. Up about 8 points. Let's see what we can break through. We have this. Oh my god, this is ugly right here. I hope price doesn't chop up around there. Up about 17 points. Did you use the Z strap or the G spot? No, Z strap. The Z strap, the Z strap, the Z strap. Or about 25 points here if anyone took that with me. $47 points here. Up about 65 points here. I'm gonna go break even. Here, guys. Wow, this is gonna run. We're about to get full TP here. 78 points. Wow, what a beautiful trade, y'all. Did anyone catch that with me? We're up about 58 points. I might take some out. I might just call that 55 if you don't get TP, bro. I'm okay with my. So what? 41 points. I'll take my 41 points. All right, my stops are right here at 55. We'll see. I don't think we're gonna need them. W trade up $600 on both. Up 480. My charts look way different from yours on every time frame. It's just settings. Bang, full TP, baby. Let's go. Anyone catch that with me? Wow, what a trade. What a trade, boys. Let's go. Holy. Inverses, bro. What can I say? Up. Oh, my God. This is about to go for 100 points. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. We waited. We got our setup. And we banked. As always. It's been a good time, boys. And this just keep on running too. 104 points here. Obviously, I'm all out. We're up on these accounts too. Let me wait a minute. Why is one? Oh my God, bro! Don't wait. Okay, it's not that bad. All right, whatever. I'll fix it. There's some slippage issues, but hey, 78 point dub. I'm up 1.3 on 3XFAs. You're the GOAT. I appreciate it, Cam. Good stuff. Hey, all I ask, if y'all took that trade with me, just post in the Discord for me, man. And yeah, I'm up a good amount today. These shorts banked. But I'm gonna head about out of here. I'll be here. I'll be live tomorrow. So I'll see you guys. Y'all have a safe day. Get off the charts. And I love y'all.